Hey guys, welcome back to our channel The Whole Lot Stuff. I'm back with another video about AutoCAD online course. So as you can see on the screen, Infratech is offering us free AutoCAD online course for beginners. So this course is absolutely free, and also on the completion of course you will be receiving a certificate of achievement which will look like this. So let us see what all topics this beginner course includes. So the first one is introduction, in which we will be knowing about how we can install AutoCAD and the course materials related to it. In second video, we will be knowing about AutoCAD application interface and also all the toolbars and accessories. In the third phase, we will start creating the basic objects like line, polyline, circle, and how to erase them when needed. In fourth lesson, we will be learning about the controlling object, that is how we can move one object to another and how we can copy and make multiple objects at a time. We will also be knowing about rotating objects, mirroring objects, and scaling the objects. In the fifth lesson, we will be learning about how to edit the objects by extending, trimming, offsetting, joining, breaking, and creating fillets. In the sixth one, we will be learning about how to create blocks and edit them, and also how to insert them. Seventh lesson is about object snap and auto mode. And in the eighth lesson, we will be practicing and creating some assignments like 2D sofa. So this is about Infratech, which is offering us free course on AutoCAD for beginners. So let's see how we can enroll for it. You just have to click on get it for free. And then we will be redirected onto this page in which you have to fill up all the details and sign up. You can also sign up with your LinkedIn account, Facebook account, or Google account. So here I'm signing up with my Google account. So after you successfully sign up for Infratech, so this is what will be on your screen. So here I'm entering the details which are required. And then I'm signing up with my Google account. So this is how the course interface is. All the content which you are going to learn in this course is visible here. The percentage of course you have completed will be shown here. And one by one you have to complete your lessons and you will be receiving your certificate on your email. So this is all about Infratech Civil AutoCAD Free Course. That's all in today's video guys. Bye. If you find this video informative, hit the like button and also share it with your friends to whom this video will be useful. Thanks for watching guys. Bye. If you want to know about more courses, you can comment down the specific subjects, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get notified whenever we post a new video.